I am therefore privileged to report that the government of the Republic of the Philippines and the National Democratic Front of the Philippines have agreed to a principled and peaceful resolution in ending the armed conflict.
Inanunsyo ni Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation and Unity Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr. na nagkasundo ang pamahalaang Pilipinas at National Democratic Front of the Philippines na tapusin ang armed conflict sa pamamagitan ng mapayapang paraan. Ito ang pinirmahang joint communique ng dalawang panig na produkto ng informal discussion sa the Netherlands at Norway mula pa noong 2022. Ayon kay Secretary Galvez, ito ay bagong simula ng negosasyong pangkapayapaan sa NDFP. Positibo ang kalihim na sa ilalim ng Marcos administration magkakaroon ng magandang pag-usad ang usapang pangkapayapaan na ito.
But I believe nakikita namin with the confidence na nakita namin na when I first talked with them and even nagkaroon kami na talagang some cordial discussions. I can see that there is a positive outlook na it will end up with a final peace agreement.
Nilinaw naman ni Defense Secretary Gilbert Teodoro na wala pa ring magbabago sa kilos ng mga otoridad laban sa New People's Army o NPA at wala pang mangyayaring tigil putukan dahil dito.
As Secretary Galvez has said, these are preliminary exploratory talks, and all programs, security, law enforcement programs of the government shall continue.
Matatandaan na inanunsyo noon ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang termination ng peace talks sa CPP, NPA, NDF. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.